What's going on, Tube? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. So today's video is going to be a little different. It's going to be more of a, I guess, vlog style of video. I'm not sure how you guys feel about that deal, but everyone else does it, so shit, why not me? So we're going down to Grand Forks today, Grand Forks Air Base. We're going to participate in some autocross. That's right, that's right. If you didn't guess already from the title of the video, we're putting a big girl through some tight little corners and some cones. See what happens. Probably take 90% of the cones out. But you know, whatever. Let's see what happens. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? Kill a cone? Better that than the crowd, right? So, right now we're just waiting. I'm getting gas right now. It's like 5:30. We're pulling out at 6 o'clock from Denny's. And, I think we're going to run get some snacks right quick. And we're going to pick this back up when we get to Denny's. So we just left Denny's. I was supposed to record at Denny's, but I didn't. I don't know why. I was too busy thinking about that nice McDonald's that I just had. So we got Rich in the C5Z, Lamb in the C6Z coming up next to me. We got the G37 behind him, and way back yonder, I don't think you guys can see him. Oh. It's making noises. And we got, we got a G37 back there. And then we got Steve way back yonder. Coming up, like I was saying at first. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Alright, so got walkie-talkies, as you can see. Of course, my cheapy DP Walmart walkie-talkie isn't, can't get on their network. I don't know why. I don't even know what I did with mine. I just had it. Oh, it's in there. Did I turn it off at least? Dude, I haven't charged this thing in decades. It seems like. And it's still good to go. So we're gonna catch up. Oh, I think they're trying to play. Steve need to be signed in?
What was that, sir?
Does he need to be signed in?
Who needs to be signed in?
Steve. One right here.
Yeah, we're checking to see if his name's on the list.
Okay.
And if it is, we're just writing him a pass, so there'll be no problem.
Okay.
Alright, Sergeant, have a good day.
Alright, thanks. Alright, two of you, so we're all teched up. There's a street cleaner on the way. We're all teched up, we're all signed up, we're all wristband up. I would show you, but the street cleaner's in my way yelling at me. Wristband, SCCA. We're official, man. Now, you could sign up to be a member, but I don't really want to do that. Probably won't end up being a member. Here's comes security forces going down right quick. And we're back. And we're just gonna go to the shop at right quick. Nothing's kicked off yet. They look like they're still setting up the course. It's pretty early in the morning. It's only 9:38. And that seems like it. It's a 2-day event, and I paid for 2 days, so I'm probably gonna stick around for 2 days. It didn't look like that many cars yet, but we were only on the front, and I guess everyone else parks around the back of the hangar where you do all your setting up and your tire pressures and your trailers and unloading and all that jazz. That they did all that backside, so there's probably a ton more cars, and it's probably going to be a lot more hectic than I thought. But that's it for now, and we're going to go get some drinks, some snacks and stuff to keep us fed. And I'll tune back in with you guys after we get all fed. There's the commissary. I don't see a shop at. You're lost! Jesus Christ. C6Z, C5Z, G37, Whipple SS, and the Scat PZ. About to go out here and walk this course, see what it's like. Got a nice little lineup. Mustang down there that ironically has 707 as his number. That was pretty funny to me. I think there was another oh look, it's lamp. I think there was another Mopar here as well.
You need a stabilizer, look at that.
I do need a damn stabilizer. That shit is awesome as fuck.
All day.
I need one for the GoPro.
I know. Well, they sell an adapter. It's like,
Is he about to do something? The thing's about to happen? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're starting here. That's your end right there. Because then it gives you enough time to stop. Because then you'll go back around.
So you don't just blast through?
No. You blast through till that point, then you stop.
Just blast through till here?
See those? See these things right here?
Yeah.
There's another set of them down there.
Oh, I see. Word. So you take off.
Oh,
Sure.
Have say, did you get her number? As we were walking away, I was like, I should call him and like just be like, hey, get her number.
she's married, first of all.
It's a joke.
She's the one that fucking sets up this event. So I was gonna talking to her to do one of mine.
Yeah. All right, Mr. Serious.
Gosh.
Serious.
Gosh.
She. Lowe's here now. Now let's just pick on Richard.
She's married now.
Those are the best ones.
Let's say they already know what they're looking for. Ouch! That was tickled.
He likes it when you touch the lower.
No, I don't. Get back, faggot! Let's do it. Oh, they got an eye feed? Was that 40?
Was it?
Yeah.
40.8.
Yeah. As fast as what I've seen from the last three that were in front of you. Before that, it was 41. Oh, there he is. All that power and just let me kill a couple cones while I'm at it.
Why not? It was only like 4 or 5 that one.
Here's a little tiptoe run. Hurry up for Steve, take your ass out. intentional shift.
The girl over there was holding her ears when you went by.
Which one?
Helmet good?
Yep. Range is lurking away. That range trying to come in. Slow off a little longer. It's probably gonna say shit about the phone. Try first and see how it goes. Actually, no, that's the fastest time.
Really?
Yeah. That's my fastest time.
Where were you running before?
I was like right at 42.
Oh, so you got 41 now.
Yeah.
I was gonna say I felt alright.
So you can see I got the hood up to see if it helps with temperatures, and so far, no. It went from 208 to 210. I was just seeing if it even fucking works. No, popping the hood up.
Oh.
Doesn't.
Yeah.
It's getting hotter. Now we're at 215. It doesn't work. It doesn't help at all. Does at least help intake temps? Intake air temps right now is 134. See if it's moving up or down. Nope, 136 is going up. There's no help at all. Leaving the hood does not help. All right, here we go. Run number 3. They still in the front?
No.
Good. Worst run yet. Took out all the cones. There we go. right, guys, so this here is what we call the buck runs. I'm pretty sure Steve, I don't know, he's probably just gonna go out there and kill cones because he hasn't drove my car ever. So there's a buck runs, and all you have to do is see if you can beat the owner's time, basically, with their own car. That's what you're doing. But it costs $1 a piece. So I already gave him $1. He's taking my car around there now. They're gonna see what he can do. Well, we won't even know. But I just honestly want to hear my car go past. I'm not gonna lie. Look at him get sideways, boy. Alright, TubeU, so we're gonna come to a conclusion for this little video, man. We did a bunch of runs today. Did like 2 heats, which are 4 runs a piece. Started out at 48. Oh, deck rat, don't hit the little deck rat. Don't hit the little dude. Look at him, 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 look at him. You guys see him? It looks like a little baby. Look at him. Anyway, started out, roll the windows up just so you guys can hear me. 4 runs, 2 heats for 4 runs a piece, so 8 runs total. Started out at 48 seconds. I got it all the way down to 40 seconds, 40.7 or something like that. I really wanted at 39, and I probably should have experimented more, but just didn't have the time. It is a 2-day event, like I said, but we're just not gonna hang around. After the day, we're all pretty spent, and I don't think no one's feeling it. No one's feeling it. So save some money on a room that I don't have to buy now, and I can just go home, sleep in my own comfy bed, and don't have to worry about driving home tomorrow after 2 days of being out here. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. And once again, this wasn't like a oh man, look, my Scat Pack blasted, did 40 seconds around this little course. This was just a, hey, I want to see how good this big old boat can do around a couple of cones, man. Sure, it's not a road course. I'm pretty sure it would have done better around a road course that turns out aren't as tight and technical as like a little bitty autocross course, but don't have a road course nearby. The nearest one is, I believe, 8 hours away or something ridiculous, something I don't feel like driving to. But anyway, this was fun. I had fun. Everyone else had fun. And it was fun watching my car go around the track that one time it did, and it was fun watching everybody plug their ears up too when it came by. It was freaking hilarious. And that's really all this video is about, guys. Me out here having fun, seeing what this thing can do. Is it a great corner car? No, everyone knows that, obviously. Can it do it? Yes, as proven. I only killed cones once. Everybody else would clip them, chip them, every now and then send cone flying here or there. I hit cones one time. I did hit a lot of cones the time that I hit them the one time, but it was only one time. Anyway, let's go ahead and wrap it up. I'm out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Your first time stop by, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button as well. Make sure you hit that bell icon. If you haven't already, swing over to the Instagram at load392slow. All one word. I'll put it down in the description. If you guys want the Instagrams on any of the other drivers that I was recording or riding with, just let me know, and I guess I'll just put them down in the description. Sure, I'll do that too. But that's it. I'm out. I had fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Peace. Oh, what the fuck? Fucking hell just started coming down out of no goddamn where. I mean, it's like flooding right here. Oh my God, I wish the camera was running for that shit.
When you walk, kick you when you fall, throw you to the fall, smack you
Shut up. Look at this car, bro. How is it flooding? Oh my God. ridiculous, bro. It's like flooding. I like ran in that water and it just shot up everywhere, all on top of the car, man. I wish y'all could have saw it. I did not know that water was that deep. And then I couldn't see the curb, so I'm like hoping to God I don't run on side of the curb and just tear my shit all to pieces. That car moved that was under here, thank God. Now I can hide up under here. It was straight up hailing, man. I know I got dents and dings and shit. Sunroof's good, luckily. That was ridiculous. Straight up hail, bro. Just tick, 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 tick. I'm freaking North Carolina, man. I ain't never been in no damn flood. We get hit by hurricanes all the time. I ain't never been in no flood. Come to North Dakota and we got negative 50 degrees and floods. Bro, get out of here, man. Like, this is just too much, man. I'm done. I'm done. Like, if we ain't freezing our asses off in negative 40, we're drowning in the floods and getting destroyed by hail. Like, if this stays right, like, I see sun. There's sun right there. There's a clear sky. How's this rain this bad? All right, Rich is moving. Let's see what the move is.
Testing. System ready.
How the hell we gonna get through this? We barely made it in. I mean, we joke about boats, but I'm pretty sure she won't. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the truck, dog. Look at the truck. Ignorant. There's no way we're getting out. We're gonna have to like stick on this side. Oh, that's the middle. And we stay in the middle, we should be good. Look at the bikers. Y'all crazy as shit, man.